I have this folding sofa bed that I love, and I need to show it to you. All right, we got this amazing 3-in-1 convertible folding sofa. 4 different ways of using it. Here's one of them right here. Then we've got, we want to flip this over here like so. And we will bring these Velcro areas down. Do it over here too. Now we've got this vibe. So you can just sit on it like this. We're just hanging out, just enjoying life on our convertible folding sofa. Now, oh, it can also be just laid down flat. You know, I'll just do that really quick. Let me just do that. Should have done that before this one, but no worries. Right here. Turns into a mattress. So straight up, do you need a mattress for anything? Or maybe you just, it's almost like a yoga-ish vibe, in my opinion. So you got that. Now let's bring this back up, and we will bring this under. Bring this up. Velcro these in. Velcro this in. And we're at our regular chair. Yeah, let me just sit down and give you a vibe. For reference, I'm about 5'11", 180 pounds. That's how I look. I think this is perfect. Also comes with this pillow. Nice little decorative vibe we got. And I did just take this out of the box recently, and I think it takes like 72 hours. So there's a little bit of, it's a little, what do you call it? It's still like morphing into the correct position. So I think it's great. Highly recommend.